I know what you want is going to dance, but I know as my own dance, so I dance it that way. So yeah, you don't need to judge me, you don't need to complain me. You're not my mother. Or if a grown-up is watching this, I'm sorry, but still, ne? So guys, don't judge me of my dancing, don't judge me of my big stomach, and also don't judge me of anything because of my body part, because I'm losing weight. You are liking this and I love it. Thank you, fans. Maybe at the end of the year I'll give you guys something. Thank you, guys.